Any nipples here, Chris? Yep. Oh, he's not a very big one, but he's on. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a nice little doggy. River. Oh, look at that. Beautiful little fella. Hey, Chris. Yeah. Take that any day of the week. Little river.
Oh, yep. Oh, we're on them just like that. Possibly a snapper here. Hopefully not. They are an unfortunate bycatch sometimes, but hopefully we're onto the doggy, but it feels more like a snapper, Chris. Oh no, got another doggy, mate. Bit of a bigger fella. He's hooked up quite well, so I might leave him in there while we release this other little fella, because they are a protected species. Off he goes. Alright, let's get this fella in. This will be worth a photo, I think, Chris. Yeah. Now, I've got a 80-pound leader on here, so shouldn't be any need for a net. Oh, he's thrashing about big. Absolute horse dog shark. Yep. And have a look at that. Well, Chris. This has been a good session. How about that? What a beauty. Bit of a copulating going on here, I think. What a beauty. Well, let's get him back in. We don't want to sabotage his way of life, do we? Look at him go. What? Yes! Pumped. Absolutely pumped, Chris. Well, let's bait up and hopefully we can catch a few more, eh? It's taken a while, but I think they might be on the chew now.